The Hankook iON FlexClimate versus the Continental AllSeasonContact 2. This is a battle between EV-focused all-season tire and one of the most proven standard all-season tires in the market. The Hankook is built around EV efficiency, torque handling, and wet safety, while the Continental brings all-season reputation with strong winter capability and low rolling resistance. So the question is simple. Can the EV-focused Hankook beat the established all-season benchmark? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Hankook iON FlexClimate set as the reference point at 100%. The data source comes from the 2026 Auto-Build EV all-season tire test. In the wet, Hankook starts very strongly. Under braking, the iON FlexClimate stops 1.5 meters shorter, giving it around a 4% advantage. Through wet handling, it carries 1.2 km per hour more speed, making it around 2% faster. And in straight aquaplaning, the Hankook has a big 6.2 km per hour higher slipping speed, giving it around a 8% better resistance. So in wet conditions, Hankook clearly has the stronger package, especially when standing water becomes the main challenge. On snow, Continental fights back. Under braking, the AllSeasonContact 2 stops 0.1 meters shorter, giving it around a 1% advantage. For traction, it delivers 71 Newton more pulling force, or around 2% stronger grip. And through snow handling, Continental carries 0.9 km per hour more speed, making it around 2% faster. The gaps are small, but Continental wins in every snow category, showing its strength as a winter-ready all-season tire. For mileage, Hankook takes a clear win. The iON FlexClimate lasts 6,500 km longer, giving it around a 12% advantage. This is a meaningful result, especially for EV drivers, where tire wear can be a major concern due to higher vehicle weight. For rolling resistance, Continental has the efficiency edge. The AllSeasonContact 2 records a coefficient value of 0.36 lower, giving it around a 5% advantage. That should help with slightly energy consumption and EV driving range. On dry roads, Hankook is clearly stronger. Under braking, the iON FlexClimate stops 2.2 meters shorter, giving it around a 5% advantage. Through dry handling, it carries 1.8 km more speed, making it around 2% faster. So in the dry, Hankook delivers better stopping power and sharper handling. For drive-by noise, both tires are basically equal. Continental is only 0.2 dB quieter, which is effectively a 0% difference. So in real-world terms, there's no meaningful noise gap between them. When it comes to pricing, Continental is slightly cheaper. In the size 215/55R18, the AllSeasonContact 2 is around 4% more affordable. In summary, from my tire expert point of view, the Hankook iON FlexClimate looks very strong in this test. It wins clearly in wet braking, wet handling, aquaplaning, dry braking, dry handling, and mileage. That makes it a very complete EV-focused all-season tire, especially if you care about safety and long-term durability. On the other hand, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 still has some important advantages. It's slightly better on snow, has a lower rolling resistance, is marginally quieter, and also slightly cheaper.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.